Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini terus untuk upload hampir setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis.
Now we're going to have a look at a method of bending which is going to give you zero noise and maximum strength. First we're going to place our ring finger on the note we're going to bend from. In this case it's the 15th fret on the B string. Then we're going to have our middle finger right behind to give us additional strength. It will be on the 14th fret. And then we have the index finger, which is just going to slightly touch as many strings as possible to damp them and prevent them from making noise. And finally we're going to have our thumb up here, and this is what's really going to give us the strength to execute the bend. Now with this grip you should be able to make a bend. If you're a beginner, you're going to need a whole bunch of attempts. But once you do get the bend down, you should practice it up and down to achieve a vibrato. Something like this. If you're a more experienced player, you will find that this kind of grip also gives you better tone. Because you're damping all the strings except for the one you're playing on, it means that you can hit the strings much harder and from above. As opposed to if you were just having this kind of grip. But with our grip, and that's what makes the difference.